දෙවෙනි එක තමයි අරන් එන්න තියෙන්නේ. මම මූණ ගැලවුවා. මූ අප්ඩේට් කරනවා. ඉතින් guys මම මේක පාර්ට් දෙකකට කලින් තමයි ගෙනාවේ. ඉතින් මූ අප්ඩේට් කරා. මම සවුන්ඩ් පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩි කරගන්නම්. මුදි මාස්ටර්ත් අප්ඩේට් කළා.
Great. Now we close like a
හරි guys
lecture.
ඉතින් අපි යන්න ඕන.
If this was all a game, I'd need cheat codes to deal with him.
මේක
Sam,
ෆ්ලෑෂ්
do you
කරමු.
copy? Are you there?
I'm listening.
You won't believe what I just saw. The witch is real, and she did something to Ethan. Now he looks like a walking
Well,
neon
I'm
sign.
Oh my god! I knew it wasn't just a rumor.
That's not all. It looks like they're planning something before the solar eclipse. I didn't get it all, but it sounded creepy.
Solar eclipse. It's like in those horror tales where everything ends badly if you don't get something done in time.
මෙතන ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහගන්න
Apparently,
තියෙනවා.
we have a deadline.
Yeah, deadline. As if my math homework wasn't enough.
Listen, hurry up and collect the photos of all the symbols and bring them to me so I can try to figure them out. Use the camera I gave you.
Roger that. Looks like the funny photos to remember are on a hold for now. Man,
මුදි කකුල වුණා.
it's Mary's mom. All right then, I'm off on a simple hunt. Hang in there, Sam. I'll see you later.
මම වැඩි මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ කියලා. අපි ගියාන හරි. ඕක තව ටිකකින් ගලව ගන්න. මේ ගේ ඇතුළේ පොඩ්ඩක් චෙක් කරගමු. මෙතන
Here's a
බැන්ඩේජ්
bandage for
තියෙනවා.
Sam.
හරි. yes.
Ethan, sorry, I need more.
ඉතින් මේ අර කුණු කණුවට අර ගිහිල්ලා වේල් එකයි ස්ටේ කේබල් එකයි දාන්න තියෙනවා. අරු ඉන්නවද දන්නේ?
Ralph, I knew you'd be hanging out here again.
හරි guys ඉතින් මම මොකක්
Wow,
කියන්න තු
the
ඉන්න.
locals flocked to you like a big pile of jam.
Jam? Tommy, have you got any jam?
Of course not. Where from? Never mind. How did you end up here?
A guy in a mask was chasing me. I was running on the ground above a sewer, then I blinked and here I am. It's a good thing that I fell into the water. Otherwise, I would never collect the pieces. I had juice and chocolate with me, but I'm out. I'd give anything for a jar of jam right now.
Forget about the jam already. So is there no way out?
You see that big door? That's probably the way out. But the water's making it impossible to open. You need to find a way to remove the water and open the door. Tom, get me out of here. I'm hungry. I'll even give you my red car. Just help me.
Oh, Ralph, I don't need your car. Okay, I'll try to help. And then you'll need a good wash. Otherwise, you'll have to love washing dishes.
හරි guys ඉතින් ඕක කිව්වා මේ උඹ වේර ගන්නලු.
Ralph, are you still alive in
උට
there?
බඩගිනි චෝකලට්.
I haven't become a rat snack yet. Hurry up.
Don't worry. I'm sure rats don't have such bad taste. The pump must have run out of fuel. Otherwise, there wouldn't be so much water here.
ඉතින් මොකක්ද දෙයක් ආවේ ඒක ගණන් ගන්න එපා. මෙතන මූ වෙනවා.
Shows where you are. You can't hide from me.
Oh, it's almost as dark in here as it was in that mine. At least there were glowing crystals. There's no way I'm going there. Unless I want to get sliced up like a potato.
මේක ෆොටෝ එකක් ගහගන්න ඕන.
Smile for the camera, Mr. Symbol.
තාලපල් සද්ද එනනම් ගණන් ගන්න එපා.
Alcohol from the bunker? That's great.
Alcohol
It's too
bottle
early
ले
to
हम
try
बिना.
this, but it can be used for making the healing bandage. That doesn't help me here.
Where I, Tony, I know everything.
Great, it's still working.
I've never seen their fingers in summer. Why not give it a try?
අරු ඉන්නවද දන්නේ නැහැ. අරු ඉන්නවද කියලා මන් දන්නේ නැහැ.
Friends are pointless. Get out. We're going to regret this.
උටම ගුලක් දැම්ම බැටරි මදි. මම මේ සුට්ටයි දාන්නේ මේ ගේම් ප්ලේ එක. බැටරි තියෙන මදි.
I can sense you be hiding. Sense fear. I know you're somewhere around here.
ඒක ඉතින් අරගේ ගෙහෙත හදනවා. හරි හරි හැදුනා. වැල්ලි
Sam,
ඉතින්.
hold on. The ambulance is on its way.
Can't see you.
Maybe these posters have something worth buying.
Dr. Tom, if we don't get treatment soon,
Young lady, very soon you will be healthy and will be able to get into trouble with renewed vigor, run away from a killer, kidnapper, or knock him out with a single blow of a shovel.
what a funny guy.
Dear patient, don't disturb the doctor. The operation may not go as planned.
Dear patient, huh?
Well, every patient is important to me, but you especially.
හරි guys ඉතින්.
Okay, done. Are you feeling better?
මම විනාඩි 10 මේක නවත්තනවා කොහොමද?
Yes.
මොකද මගේ
That does
බැටරි
feel
ලෝ මම
better.
ඔයාලට මම පෙන්නන්නම්.
Thank you very much, Dr. Tom.
බැටරි 46යි.
You can get hurt one more time, then I'll fix you up again.
No way.
ඒක
You
නිසා
can
මම තව ටික
simply
මේක
take care of
නවත්තන්නම්.
me without any injuries, wounds, or killers.
Okay, I gotta go. There's still so much to do. But I'll definitely be back to see you later, dear patient.
Great. But instead of an x-ray of my leg, bring me photos of those symbols we need to deal with.
The doctor works part-time as a photographer. Oh well, it happens. Don't miss me. I'll be back soon.
හරි ගසිත අදට ගිහිල්ලා නම් ඔන්න ඉතින් අදට ගිහිල්ලා
Sounds pretty
ගුඩ්
good.
බයි හැමෝටම එනම් කොල්ලෝ අපි ගියා